Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Kashyap's Academy. Dear students, right now we are in surface area and volume K9 level, and here we are discussing about what we call it as spheres. Just now we discussed about the cone and we did the basic formulas of cone. Now we'll do the basic formulas of sphere and some basic problems regarding sphere, and then we will move on. After completing the sphere, then we will move on to the next level or to the next problems that will be combined: sphere, cone, cylinder, some hot level issues. So when we discuss about the sphere, so we know the shape of the sphere. This will be like this. Hemisphere, it is called as hemisphere. And when total sphere is there, means a complete circular shape, which is totally fully filled, it's called as sphere. Okay, so there is only one dimension, that is radius. There is only one dimension, that is radius. So when we talk about a sphere, there is only total surface area of sphere, which has the formula 4 pi r square. Total surface area of a sphere has the formula 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. These are the two formulas for the sphere. 4 pi r square total surface area, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now when we talk about hemisphere, then we have about hemisphere. What we can have? Now hemisphere is like this. So there is curved surface and total surface. CSA of hemisphere, or sometimes it is also called as semisphere, is equal to 2 pi r square. And total surface area of hemisphere, मतलब CSA plus ऊपर का उसका circular area 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. And volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube, half of the volume of sphere. In this way you can write down the formulas, then we'll move to the problems. Yes, make a video, pause and write down the formulas. Find the question is that find surface area of a sphere whose radius is 21 सेंटीमीटर. एक ऐसे स्पेयर का सरफेस एरिया फाइंड कीजिए जिसकी रेडियस 21 सेंटीमीटर है. आर बी द रेडियस ऑफ अ स्पेयर, हेंस टोटल सरफेस एरिया, और यू कैन से सरफेस एरिया, क्योंकि स्पेयर के लिए टोटल एंड कर्व्ड आर द सेम. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्पेयर is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 multiplied by 21, 7 3s are 21, so you have 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 3 1 are 3, 3 2s are 6, whatever may be the value, that is cm square. Yes, you can make a video, pause, find the value on your own. I will tell you the answer within 1 minute. So the answer for this is 5544 centimeter square. Now I will give you another question for 7 centimeter. Please check the answer of this. For r equal to 7 centimeter, find out the surface area. So answer for 7 centimeter will be, surface area is 616 cm square for radius 7 centimeter. Now sometimes they may ask you the question like this: find radius of sphere having surface area 1256 cm square, having surface area 1256 cm square, use pi equal to 3.14. Yes, we'll solve about this. First try to find out on your own, then I will solve the question. So if we try to solve this, surface area is 1256 cm square, which is 4 pi r square is 1256. Hence 4 into 3.14 into r square is 1256. Hence r square is 1256 upon 4 multiplied by 3.14. अब ये जो पॉइंट के आगे के 2 डेसिमल्स है, 2 डिजिट, आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर आर द 2 डिजिट्स. सो उसके लिए हम 100 by 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. हियर 100 इज रिमेनिंग. 1256 अपॉन 4 इंटू 314. अगर 4 से हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं, 4 3 जार 12, 4 1 जार 4, 4 4 जार 16, 314 and 314 will be cancel. R square is equal to 100, then R is equal to 10 centimeter. So the radius that we want to find out is 10 centimeter. Yes, make a video, pause and write it down. One 113040 cm cube is volume of a sphere. Find its radius. आपको रेडियस फाइंड करनी है. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ a sphere is 113040. hence 4 by 3 pi r cube is 113040. यहाँ पे पाई 3.14 यूज करो, ऐसा कहा गया है. hence 4 by 3 into 3.14 into r cube is 113040. hence r cube is equal to 113040 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3.14. yes, you need to multiply it with by 100 by 100. then check it out कि क्या आ सकता है आंसर. I will tell you. बस first of all make a video, pause and try it on your own. Others, please, once you see this 113040 divided by 4 into 314, once you solve this, it is 9000 multiplied by 3 using that 100. So it will become 27,000 and then R will become 30 centimeter. Yes, make a video, pause and write it down. Wait. How much time is remain? Wait a minute, wait for 2 minutes and rejoin on the same link. एक 2 minutes के लिए wait कीजिए and then rejoin. Next question is find volume of a sphere. Find volume of a sphere whose surface area is 314 square centimeter or 314 cm square. Now surface area is 314 cm square. Surface area is nothing but 4 pi r square is equal to 314. Hence 4 into 3.14 into r square is equal to 314. Hence r square is equal to 314 upon 3.14 multiplied by 4. 100 by 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हम. 0 0 कट यहाँ पे. 314 कैंसल. r square is equal to 100 by 4, that is 25. Hence r will become 5 centimeter. R will become 5 centimeter. Hence volume of a sphere will be equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube. So 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 5 cube. So 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 125 cm cube, whatever may be dash dash cm cube will be the volume. What do you need to do in what do you need to do? You need to solve this, find out the volume. I will give you the answer for that. Yes, make a video, pause and find the answer first of all. And once you solve this, the answer will be 523.33 cm cube will be the volume. So now regarding this, what we will do, I will put you some questions. एक image में I will put कर दूँगा at the end of this video. You have to solve all the questions of that image and find out that whether your answers are correct or not later on. Thank you. Have a nice day.